I'm challenging jurisdiction.
You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none. And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I got your paperwork ready.
Now, I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court.
All right, everyone. Today we've got a particularly misguided sovereign citizen who's shown up to court to challenge its jurisdiction. You honestly can't make this stuff up. Judge Perkins handles the situation masterfully, clearly humoring him, and it turns into a very entertaining exchange. The guy is obviously just reading from a script he doesn't understand. He likely doesn't even know what jurisdiction means. The court has authority whether he accepts it or not, but he seems determined to embarrass himself anyway. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's dive in and watch Judge Perkins deal with this spectacle.
You're your own attorney. You're an attorney registered by the state of Michigan.
You don't license to practice law, and you've been practicing law over the bench.
You say I have been?
Would you like to litigate against me?
I'm not litigating anything against you.
Okay, you have been practicing law across the bench since we started this. And I'm challenging jurisdiction today.
Okay. What do you want to do, Mr. Hicks? You want a trial date or you want the office in the back?
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Okay, put it in a motion.
I don't have to put it in a motion. I don't have to put it in a motion.
If I say you do, you do.
No, you don't have the right to do that. You don't have a Congress number. You don't have delegated authority to do that.
Okay. All right. Well,
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Trial date. I'm denying. What is your motion? You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none.
Okay, so
honor your oath of office, please. Honor your oath of office, okay?
Are we going to sit here and debate those positions?
It's not a debate. It's my constitutional right. It's my constitutional right.
You think so? Okay,
I know so. Are you violating my constitutional rights on how you deem them to be?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't believe so.
And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Okay, I have a transcript from all the other times I talked with you because you've been practicing across the bench for the longest.
Okay, so what are you going to do today, Mr. Hicks?
Challenge jurisdiction.
And how are you challenging that?
Because you have no jurisdiction. You have the burden of proof is on whoever assessed the jurisdiction.
Does this guy seriously not understand that you actually have to bring facts into a courtroom? He honestly seems to think that by simply declaring the court has no jurisdiction, the judge will just shrug and dismiss the case. That's not how the legal system works, at all. Sovereign citizens act as if the law is some kind of optional subscription service, like they can just cancel it whenever they don't like the terms. But if you don't want to follow the laws of a country, maybe it's time to reconsider living there. This kind of nonsense is getting way out of hand. Let me know what you all think. Should the laws be changed to deal with this, or is there some other solution?
Who's the assessor of jurisdiction?
I am. In this case,
okay,
and I deny that motion.
Why you deny the motion? Because you don't have.
So, Mr. Hicks, you're a grown man. Let's have a few seconds. Wait a minute. Let's have a few second conversation, okay? Now let's get this straight. I'm running this show, okay? So if I'm going to allow you to talk and say what you have to say, you're talking about challenging jurisdiction right now. That's what the discussion is. I say I have jurisdiction. The court rules say I have jurisdiction. The Constitution of the state of Michigan say I have jurisdiction. So I'm denying. No, don't talk while I'm talking. I'm denying denying your motion as far as you contesting my jurisdiction. Okay? So take your hood off, please. So other than that, what else do you want? How do you want to proceed now moving forward?
I motion to dismiss.
I'm denying that motion. Okay, let me ask you this. What basis are you denying the motion to dismiss?
Because no crime, a bill of attainder, no injured party. I told you all of this at the beginning, and you denied everything. You practice over the bench.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you two options.
As a matter of fact, hold on. Give me a minute. You even went through a 10 and 3 because you started threatening me. You remember that?
No, you were the one. Wait a minute. You were the one, Mr. Hicks, that said, "Oh, you can say all that while you're on the bench." That's what the court rules are. You got to follow.
No, it's not. Then show me those rules. Let me see those rules. Send those rules to me.
I don't have to show you anything here. That's all public information.
You're acting tough now? You're acting tough now? Behind the bench?
Mr. Hicks. Let's not go there, all right? Did you say that last time?
Do you have the transcripts? Yeah, I said it. Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
I thought about that.
I don't even have a license.
I thought about that. Listen, this whole
have license to practice law. Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
The jig is up. The jig is up. Are you sure your jig isn't up? These sovereign citizens really believe that saying "I don't consent" is some kind of legal cheat code. Like, bro, this isn't Hogwarts. You're not casting a spell on the judge. Courts have ruled again and again that simply claiming a lack of jurisdiction doesn't magically make it true, yet they keep trying as if it's eventually going to work. It's like watching someone type the wrong password 100 times and still thinking, this next one will be it. I genuinely don't understand how they convince themselves this makes sense. And why does it seem like so many of them are from Michigan? If you're from Michigan, let me know, what's going on over there? Is there a sovereign citizen headquarters or something? Anyway, let's dive back in.
All right. So now the jig is up with you. So I'm not letting you say any more about this. I'm denying your motions. Now I'm going to give you two options. The first option is you can either take the deal that's in the file, or we can. Okay. Don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
A few minutes. I got your paperwork ready. I got your paperwork ready. You really want to talk? You really want to do this?
All right. Now I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court. Okay? All right. So the other option is we set a jury trial. And we'll set the jury trial. I'll give you motion dates where you can have the dates and you can put all of your stuff in writing that you want before the court. And I'll make a date on that date. I'll make a date when I'll rule on those motions. So do you want the offer or do you want the jury trial date and the motions dates?
I thought that the trial was up to me, whether I have a bench trial or a jury trial. It's not up to you.
No, it's not up to you. I'm giving you. Everybody has a right to a jury trial.
Absolutely.
And I'm going to allow you to exercise that jury trial right. I'm not going to sit here and entertain a bench trial for you. Let a jury of your peers determine your innocence or guilt.
Why would I do that?
How?
I have the right to either or. You're not the one.
No, you don't have a right to. No, you don't have a right to either or.
Yes, I do. Of course, I do.
All right. I'm moving on.
All right, move on.
You didn't answer my question, so I'm moving on, and I'm going to put you out, or at least mute yourself. All right, let's do this, and let's go back on the record one more time with Mr. Hicks.
For the record, Your Honor, Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. This is the date and time set for a final pretrial in this matter. Your Honor, I did subpoena my officers to be here today for the final pretrial, and I do not see them here today.
Remove your hat, please. No drinking, please. Treat this like you're in the courthouse. Remove your hat, please, Mr. Hicks. All right. What are we going to do? The officers were supposed to be here today. I'm only dealing with SP 15, SP 144, 2547, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 144, 27651, and SP 5008721. I'm only dealing with those matters. And the officers are not here. So we're going to make this easy. And now, what I don't appreciate is, you know, I thought about that comment that you made that last time. You know, basically, you're almost like a little lightweight threat that you had toward me, saying that, oh, I'm only doing this. I'm only this way because I'm being protected by the bench. That's absolutely not. I'm the same way 24 hours a day. Okay? So let's get that straight. This robe has nothing to do with me as a man. All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases because no officer appeared.
I would like to collect my costs and fees.
Pardon me?
I would like to collect my costs and fees for having to defend myself.
I don't want to hear anything else you have to say.
Oh, beautiful.
All right, bye.
This wasn't the outcome I know a lot of you were hoping for, and honestly, myself included. It genuinely hurt to watch this clown have the audacity to ask the judge for court fees and costs. The judge literally lets him walk away from all the charges, and that's what he follows up with? Asking when he's going to get paid? Like, bro, who raised you? This guy seriously needs a reality check. Sovereign citizens are out here making a mockery of the legal system, acting like they're above the law and trying to manipulate the process. They treat every rule and statute as if it's optional, and it's honestly exhausting to watch. But hey, that's why we're here, to expose the nonsense and bring the truth to light. If you enjoyed watching this train wreck as much as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. I really want to hear what you think about this court hearing, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. I post every single day, so stay tuned. I truly appreciate you all for watching and being part of the channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.